Let's see another sample program. Let's begin with basic syntax. Backslash document class followed by article inside the flower brace. Before article, you can also specify the font size such as 20 points inside a square brace. That's optional. Followed by which, let's specify the title. Here I want to give title as a start of intro to LATEX. So as I already told in my previous video, title is specified using backslash keyword title, followed by which title is written inside the flower brace. Then I'm specifying the author name here. Author name is specified using backslash keyword author, followed by which author name inside the flower brace. Then we begin the document using backslash begin document. Begin is a keyword, and then we use make title in order to get the title specified above inside the begin section. And then we use section keyword. Here section is a new word that we are going to learn now. So section and subsection will be learning today. So section keyword is used, followed by which we specify the section name or section heading inside the flower brace. After specifying the section, followed by which we'll be writing the content inside the section that needs to be displayed. We can also mention some subsections. The syntax for subsection is backslash keyword subsection, followed by which flower braces. Inside flower braces will be mentioning the name for the subsection or section. Then we can use as many as subsections under a single section, or as many as sections inside a begin section. After each subsection or a section, we can write the content that needs to be displayed. While writing the content, you can also use the command previously which I have mentioned in my videos, such as backslash text bf, backslash text it, backslash underline, etc. So after specifying this, we can just end this using backslash end document. Here for subsections, I have given the name as subject 1, subject 2. Inside each subsection, you can mention the content you want. Then for I have used one more section, in which the section name I have mentioned it as section 2. In section 2, the content I have given is computer science and engineering, and subsection name I have specified it as subject 1. After each subsection or section, you can write the content you want. So it's common that we'll get errors. Make sure to rectify those and clear the errors. This is how we'll get the output. Title is start of intro to LATEX, then your author name, then date, then section 1, then the content in the section 1, its subsections, then section 2, content of section 2 and its subsection.